Chef Nikki here, back with another episode of Nikki Talks Food. Before we begin, I want you to go ahead and smash that subscribe button, hit the little bell so you know when I post, and as always, leave a comment down below after you watch the video. So I don't know about you guys, but I can use a little bit of luck in this coming year, 2021, because 2020 has been an absolute show. A dumpster fire. So we're gonna make a traditional Southern recipe for New Year's. This is black-eyed peas. The significance of black-eyed peas on New Year's Day is beans swell, so that signifies prosperity. A lot of people serve that with collard greens. Greens signify money. Making it rain, y'all. But we're just making black-eyed peas today. You can add greens if you want. So let's get started. I'm gonna show you the Instant Pot method. If you don't have an Instant Pot, you can use any pressure cooker that you have. Otherwise, if you're gonna use the stovetop method or the crock pot method, slow cooker method, you will have to rinse your beans, soak them in water overnight before you make them. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna dice up a green pepper. This is a gigantic onion, I'm just gonna use half. If you have a little onion, just use the whole thing. 3 cloves of garlic, maybe more. So there's always a pork component in this dish. First of all, because it's tasty. The pork and the black-eyed peas just really get along together very, very well with the smoke flavor. A lot of people use ham hocks. I'm gonna use bacon. And the pork in this dish signifies progress because pigs root around and they usually root forward, and that's, I guess, the old wives' tale, or you know, whatever kind of folklore reason why there's always you always eat pork on New Year's Day. So we're not taking any chances this year. We're eating the pork. So I have 5 strips of bacon, and I'm gonna dice this. You gotta wash your hands. All right, so we're gonna flick our Instant Pot on. We are going to put on saute, and we're gonna adjust to more. It's gonna take a little while to heat up, so, you know, just find something to do. No, sit. Can you give paw? Good boy. Okay, now that our, what is this thing? Now that our Instant Pot is ready to saute, we're gonna add the bacon. If you don't hear it sizzle, you ain't doing it right. Once the bacon is crispy, we're gonna add our peppers and onions. We want them sweaty and soft before we add the garlic. It's important to build layers of flavor and get like a bacon steam bath. And we want caramelization. And I know you guys know that I talk about this all the time because it's just important so that you have depth of flavor and the food doesn't just taste boiled. Just let it saute for 30 seconds. Then we're gonna add 2 cups of rinsed black-eyed peas that are dry. They came out of a bag. These are not canned black-eyed peas, these are dry. Just make sure you rinse them and sift through them for pebbles, because the same sorting thing that sorts the beans also doesn't know that it's looking at a pebble, and so you could break a tooth. We're gonna cut off the saute. We're gonna add 3½ cups of chicken stock, a cup of crushed tomatoes, teaspoon of pro seasoning, ½ teaspoon of dry thyme, ooh, and a bay leaf. Put 2 bay leaves. Give it a stir. Make sure you scrape up the stuff on the bottom because that's all flavor. That's called fond. We want that. We want that in our, sucked up into our foods. All right, lid goes on. And it's singing to me. I know it's closed, and I'm gonna put it on sealing, not venting. Then we're gonna put it on manual, and we're gonna say 15 minutes, and it'll kick on. So if you've never used your Instant Pot, what's gonna happen is it's gonna fill with steam. The steam is gonna push this little button up. It's gonna make some noise. Once the button is pushed up, it's sealed up, and it will begin to count down for our 15 minutes. We are gonna let this naturally depressurize. So once the 15 minutes are up, we're gonna click off, and it will gently lose steam on its own for about 20 minutes and our beans are done. It's been 20 minutes and our Instant Pot has naturally de-steamed itself. So I'm just gonna open it up and show you what's inside. So that's it. That's our New Year's Day, part of our New Year's Day meal. We have black-eyed peas with Newski's bacon. They're cooked in the Instant Pot. It did not take very long. And this is for a prosperous new year. Here's to a happy, healthy new year for you guys. I know we've all been through it, but we have a new year coming up and we got some great things coming. So just stay positive, be kind to one another, eat the beans. And that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like my show, don't forget to subscribe, hit the little bell so you know when I've posted again, and as always, leave a comment down below. You can buy my pro seasoning at chefnikki.net. That's Nikki with 2 Ks, and I'll put the link right here.